Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to rig our character, and for rigging we will need a add-on. We will just go to edit, preferences, and in add-on sections we will search for rigify. So if you write here in rig, you will find this rigify add-on. Okay, so you have to enable this, and after enabling you can save preferences, and that's it. So now we have our add-on. So now what we can do, we can just go to object mode, we can just press shift A, we can go to armature and basic, and we will click on basic human meta rig. So now you can see we have a nice rig here, and although we can't see rig in a proper way, at some points you can see this rig is not properly signed. Also it's a little bit in forward direction, but for viewing this rig in a better position, we will just go to this rigging section, and we will go to this section of viewport display, and we will enable in front. So what it will do, it will show us the main rig in front of everything. Now we will go to side view by pressing 3, and we will just move it at the right position. So this bone will be in the middle of the neck, that is the better position. I will also hide the shirt for the time so that we can see the this section in a proper way. And now we will select this bone. This bone is the chest bone, so these bones will be used for the females, and for selecting these bones we will just select the rig, and we will click tab, and then we can select any bone. So let's select this bone, delete it, and this bone will again delete it, this bone, because we don't need these bones. Now we'll just go to front view, and we'll select this bone, and we will just move it on the top of the head, okay, like this, and this bone will stay in the bottom of the neck. Before moving this, I think we should select this section, and let's move this section a little bit like this. And also you can see we have this X option in the right view, so we'll apply this. So if we make any change to the right side, it will implement it to the left side as well. So now you can see that we have a nice bone structure. So this is for neck, and then we have chest. That's good. We can select this bone, and we can just move it like this, and then we can move it like this, so we can keep it at this spot, and then we can move it like this. And for this section I think we have fine selection, so we can just move this a little bit like this, and that's it. Now we'll just go to side view, and in side view we'll just move this section like this, and now you can see that we have this bone outside the bound, so we can select this bone and move it a little bit up like this. So that's good. If we go to 3, you can see the side view, and side view is now approximately good, but you can see the head structure. We can actually tweak this structure a little bit if we want to do so. So it's up to you. I will just keep it like this. And now for the arms, you can see that the arms selection is not too much better. So we'll select this bone, move it like this, and then this bone, I think we will just keep it here, and then this bone and then we will select these two bones, move it like this. Okay, and then little bit tweaking with all the bones, and when you are happy with the overall result, then definitely we can move further. So I think this should be little bit here. Yeah, that's good. So now you can see that we have successfully added our rig to the character. And now for testing out our character, what we can do, we can go to object mode. We can select everything. Okay, so we have to select face, we have to select cap, we have to select body, we have to select this thing, shirt, pant, and then we will select shoes, and in the last we will select rig. Okay, and then we will press shift P, sorry, control P in newer version, and here you can see we have with automatic weights option. So we'll click on this option. So what it will do, that if we go to pose mode now, and if we select any section, for example this section, and if we press G to move it, you will see that we have a nice rig and we can move our character like this.